Are you ready to create a magical skincare gift that combines natural beauty with enchanted charm? Let's make it happen. Hi there, I'm Sapphire Moon, and welcome to Mundane Magickal DIYs, formerly known as Sekhmets Magickal Spiritual DIYs. Here, we blend everyday enchantment with practical creativity. On this channel, you'll find DIYs for household essentials, nourishing hair and body care, pet-friendly remedies, and magical products to enhance your spiritual practice. Today, I'll show you how to create a gentle, natural facial cleansing powder that's perfect for glowing skin and makes a thoughtful holiday gift. Before we dive into the ingredients and their benefits, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. If you're interested in the ingredients or equipment I'm using today, check the description below for direct links. Buying gifts can be stressful, and finding skincare products that are both natural and effective isn't easy. That's why I love making my own. This facial cleanser powder is gentle, suitable for most skin types, and infused with magical intentions for radiant skin. Plus, it's a gift made with love, and everyone can use a little enchantment in their daily routine. As I go over the ingredients, I will tell you their mundane and magical benefits. Kaolin absorbs excess oil, cleanses, and soothes sensitive skin. Its magical benefits symbolizes purification and renewal, clearing negative energy. Soap nut powder provides natural cleansing and foaming action without harsh chemicals. Its magical benefits represent simplicity and connection to nature. Rose powder calms redness, soothes skin, and adds a floral scent. Its magical benefits promote self love and emotional healing. Calendula powder is known for its anti inflammatory and skin soothing properties. Its magical benefits is associated with protection and gentle energy. Colloidal oatmeal is optional, but I used it because it soothes irritated skin and locks in moisture. Its magical benefits represents nurturing and grounding energy. So now it's time to mix the powders evenly before I add my essential oils. Lavender essential oil calms irritated skin, reduces redness, and provides natural antibacterial properties. Its magical benefits encourages peace, emotional balance, and spiritual cleansing. Frankincense essential oil promotes skin healing, reduces signs of aging, and soothes dry or sensitive skin. Magically, it represents spiritual connection, grounding, and purification. And so I put 10 or more drops, but you can always put less or more. It's up to you. Now I'm going to mix everything thoroughly so that the essential oils can be distributed evenly amongst the powders. Don't forget to check the community tab for bonus tips, updates, and inspiration to enhance your skincare rituals. Now it's time to fill the jars. Before I show you the finished product, I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to use it. As you can see, I have a scoop. And so for these magical skincare gifts, I put a scoop in each and every one of them for my loved ones. And so you can use a scoop or you can use a teaspoon, whatever you may have. And so I'm showing you a teaspoon, but I'm going to use the scoop. And so you make it according to your liking. And so as you'll see, I did it, but it was just too runny for me. And then I just added some more of the Enchanted facial cleansing powder to make it a little bit thicker. But this beautiful facial cleansing powder is so soft, guys, because of all of these beautiful botanicals. Because kaolin clay already is a very great skin cleanser, and then we have roses and calendula powder, and then on top of lavender and frankincense essential oils. So this is really a beautiful facial cleanser. And as I'm speaking to you guys now, I'm rubbing on my face. My face feels so nice and smooth. And so you see right there, it is too runny. So I'm going to add some more powder. And see, guys, I don't do these things on a regular basis. I make this stuff for my children because they're all into beauty and stuff. I just do things simple. But I really do love this powder. And so I'm mixing it, unfortunately, it's not really good on camera. So as you saw that it was runny, and so I'm gonna put some more powder. And then, like I said, guys, you guys who always make this type of stuff, you know how to do this. And so then I'm going to show you on the back of my hand how it looks. So it has a little exfoliation, nothing that's too abrasive. And right away you can see the glowing without even any oil. That's just this powder. You're going to love it. Why are you going to love it? It's because you made it yourself. You know what went into it. So let's get to the end results. Now, with your jars filled, you've created beautiful, heartfelt gifts infused with magical intention, ready to bring glowing skin and joy to your loved ones. If you love this DIY, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more enchanting creations. Let me know in the comments who you'll be gifting these to, or if you're keeping one for yourself. Don't forget to visit the community tab for extra tips and inspiration. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Stay enchanted with Mundane and Magickal DIYs.